Just wanted to give a little bit of a tip for how I edit my supercuts whenever I have people in the chat with me on Discord. So you'll see in my timeline here that I have a track for just my voice, which is just Bryson. Julian, have you played this game before? And then a track for the game audio without my commentary or the chat. It's a little bit quiet right now because I have chat open and I try to turn the game down whenever I have people in Discord. And then I have a dedicated audio track for the Discord chat.
I played half of it, bro.
So one of the biggest benefits of doing this with my audio, I can then make up for the fact that Discord has some pretty bad delay for conversations. So I ask Julian in this instance the question, Julian, have you played this game before?
I played half of it, bro.
Okay.
I need to get back into it.
And so I noticed that like I try to respond to the first thing, but then as I'm responding, he starts saying some more stuff. So one of the things that I could do here in this instance is, because I never really complete this thought, so let's solo it. I just go, okay. Oh, I say, okay. So that's like that's a good standalone response. So what I can do now is, because I have to sync my audio to my VTuber character here, I can't move my audio, but I can move the Discord chat audio, and I can do this. I can just move Julian over and then leave this part of the response over here so that it's a nice flowing conversation without the weird wonkiness of Discord delay and not having us talk over each other. Julian, have you played this game before?
I played half of it, bro.
Okay.
I need to get back into it.
And so it seems like he had started here, but then like finish the thought here. So to reduce on redundancy, I can just clip off this little bit of his response, do this, and then just kind of cut this together even closer so that it's a little bit more flowy. Julian, have you played this game before?
I played half of it, bro.
Okay.
I need to get back into it.
And something like that. This is just one small example I ran into while editing this supercut, and I figured it was a helpful little thing that anybody else watching this could use for their stream edits and whatever video content they might make that involves multiple tracks of audio. And if you want to do this for yourself, you can just set this up in OBS. So in your OBS settings, when you're recording, it's grayed out right now because I'm recording actively, but you want to make sure that you have your recording format set to .mkv or any other container that supports multi-track audio. I believe MP4 supports it as well. And make sure that you have audio track 1, 2, 3, and 4 checked. And the reason you do that is because if you go into advanced audio properties, you can see all of the audio settings that I have. So here I have my full stream mix. This is all inputs going into one track, which is track 1. That's everything mixed together. Track 2 is just my microphone. Track 3 is the system audio or the game audio. And then track 4 is my Discord audio setting. So you can have these all recorded on separate tracks so that you can edit with in Premiere. And so when I first import the video into the sequence, it has all 4 tracks present, and I just delete the top track, which is the stream mix, so that I have more fine-tuned control over all 3 individual tracks. Move those up just for cleanliness. One of the things that you need to keep in mind, though, is with the system audio and the Discord audio, I can control the volume in the stream mix with my mixer, but it does not affect what is recorded on OBS's end for the system audio and chat audio. So you kind of have to manually turn things down and back up as feels appropriate for this version of the video. So if like the music is kind of drowning out your Discord chat, or the Discord chat is just extremely loud compared to you, you can balance those audio levels on a track-by-track basis. So like if you just generally want me to be louder, you can turn me up, maybe turn the game audio down. But usually as long as you can set your audio levels with these sliders in OBS properly, then you don't really have to worry about that too much. So yeah, I hope this was a helpful little tip that you guys can use for some of your stream highlights in the future. Have a good one.